So one little thing that we're going to do now is we're going to use FLASHFILL. And I actually think it's a really interesting and exciting thing. If we do this in a table like we have here, it's probably not that big a deal, but because tables will flash fill automatically. But we'll go through the process and do it without it flash filling for us. So what we want to get is we want to get a clickable mail link. So right here, I can't click on this and have it open my mail client. And the reason it won't do that is because this is a formula, not a text, not a string of text. So it gives us a string of text by putting stuff together here as we've asked, but it doesn't give us a formula. So if we type the first one out, so I've got to get it correct, 23 Summers B for Buffy at student.school.edu. We can, there we go. We now have a clickable mail link, and that's really cool. So that'll open up the mail client. Now, again, if we want to do a bulk mail, we would open our mail client and just copy and paste all of these. And we could do that, all these values here, we just copy and paste. And we could do that with just as an individual value as well. But if we want to do just one, it's right there. Now, we don't want to have to type that out for everyone. The reason we use stuff like this is because, one, that makes us prone to a lot of errors, and we want to avoid that. So if I press Ctrl-E, or I press in the Data tab, or the Data ribbon, this button here, that will flash fill. Me personally, I like a shortcut and use the keyboard. We use the mouse as little as possible when we're using Excel, and we press Ctrl-E. And we now have emails for everyone. So if we go down to Jane Cobb, J Cobb is there, 23 J Cobb, it all works. Wanda Maximoff, we've got 23 Maximoff W, that works. So it's all, works. It's really easy to do. And if I click on one of these, it'll open up my mail client, which I won't do because that'll pop up some of my school emails maybe, and we want to avoid that. But I click on that, it'll open my mail client, and I can tap away. So yeah, so here's an emailable link. Here are the emails, and we've got student names, and this table's all working together. All right, yeah, so that's it. I hope that made sense. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. We'll get back to you as quick as we can. Click the subscribe button. That way you can keep up with what we're putting out there. And yeah, see you next time. Bye now.